such as this one. Okay, so let me present my screen right now. Right, there you go. Okay, so this is just a very simple website now. Okay, um, in line with the subject living in the IT era. Okay, so as you can see here, we have several visual elements. Okay, that consist, okay, our course content. Okay, so rather than just giving, okay, our students no kaning manuals may or um, something na basahon lang nila no your PowerPoint presentation. So we can create something as interactive as a website. Okay, so as you can see, pwede na to i-click ang mga elements dire Okay, so basically so na siya buhaton, no? Okay, so everything here, every element here is quite easy to do. Okay, so dali na kayo na siya. You can insert YouTube videos as well. Okay, given na katong mention po now sa inyo, no? Dili ta makapera, okay, sa mga YouTube videos na i-insert nato dire, given na YouTube is actually a Google service po. Okay, so if ever I'm going to play this one, okay, so as you can see, okay, ma-play po siya, no? And then we also have our text here, a button wherein if ever i-click ninyo, you will be redirected, okay, to another page. Okay, so that's it. Okay, pwede po natin i-click another YouTube video, okay, and text na pod and images. Okay, so kanya nga to ang try ubuhan, okay, for today's session, okay, or discussion. Okay, but then before that one, I will be presenting again our topic outline. So to have this ano na, expectation, okay, or idea what to expect, isa to ang session this morning and afternoon. Okay, so wait lang ha. Okay, so for our topic outline, okay, we will start with the most basic steps or process, okay, that we're going to do now. Okay, so we could start creating our website. So the same sa Google Classroom gahapon, okay, I will be demonstrating how you're going to access Google Sites, okay, via two ways. Okay, and then second, you're going to create your Google site na, okay, a blank Google site. Okay, so we will be kind of starting from scratch no, because Google Sites provide as well, okay, kaning templates for our websites. Pero ang buhaton na to karon kay mag-start na from scratch. Okay? Okay, para at least patunan din natin ang essential things, okay, that we need to learn so that we could create our own website or build our own website. Okay, so naming your Google site, sharing your Google site with others. Okay, so you can actually collaborate with other teachers. Now, for example, a specific subject, okay, can be taught, okay, or kaning unsa no, ginatudlo sa kaning multiple teachers. So you can collaborate with each other in order for you to build that specific website. Okay, so using themes in Google site, okay, selecting your header image. Okay, so we can actually customize your header image later on. Adding a footer in Google Sites, adding content to your page, such as text, images, and documents, cropping an image, adding a video from Google Drive, adding a folder from Google Drive to your Google site, using content blocks in Google Sites, extra inserts such as collapsible text, table of contents, image carousel, and YouTube video. Insert Google Sites into Google Slides into Google Sites rather, changing menu layout, linking pages. Of course, this is very important. Okay, given that if ever we're going to navigate through a specific website, it's just a collection of web pages. Okay, so these web pages are actually linked to each other. Okay, so adding logos and fav icon, and publishing your Google site to the web. Sir, di ba if ever mag-deploy or mag-publish ng website, okay, kailangan magbayad. Okay? So, in our session karon, no? Okay? You don't need to you don't need to spend anything, okay? Or any amount. Okay? All of this, okay, are for free. Okay? Even the publishing of your own website. Okay? To me, so maunsa ni siya sa akong buhaton kay pwede siya ma-public. Okay? Pwede ba namo siya mahatag sa among mga estudyante? Yes, of course. Okay? And that is for free. Okay? So anyway, muna siyang atuang buhaton for the entire day. Okay? So, madadagan-dagan, no? Okay, but then again, just like what I have told you, ma'am, sensors, okay, nothing complicated here. Okay? Everything is easy to follow as ABC. Okay? So, right now, sige, let's start na building our website. Okay, so, first, okay, let's try to access Google Sites, okay, via these two means or ways nag-specify dere. Okay, first step na pwede nato buhaton, no? In order for us to access Google Sites is through typing sites.google.com via our browser. Okay, so please do open your Google Chrome right now. Okay, so siguro naka-open man gid dira, given that you are in this Google Meet session. Okay. So sa address bar nato, okay, again, this is ano, this is our address bar, okay, sa browser nato. Please type sites.google.com. So that is sites.google.com. Okay, and then hit enter sa inyong keyboard. Okay, sir, nganong naamay unsa, nganong naisulod imuha mo wala. Okay, so if it is your first time accessing Google Sites, no, via your Google account, okay, so most likely what you're going to see here kay an empty unsa no, interface. Okay, so wala pa na sulod dire app. Okay, so kato it's normal. Okay, given na wala pa man jud mo nagbuhat og kaning website or there is no Google site shared to you as of the moment. Okay, so anyway, kato no, balik ko na ako, ma'am sensors. What you're going to do, okay, or first any way for you to access Google Sites is via typing it, okay, sa inyong browser, okay, which is sites.google.com. Alright, okay. So, kinsa ba sa inyo hadari ang wala naka-access karon? Okay. Please, iingon no sa dire sa ato ang sa chat box, please, ma'am sensors. If ever namin mga problems na maunsa no ma-encounter, okay, as we go along with our topics and demonstration, no, okay, for today, again, please don't hesitate to raise those concerns. Okay, just call my attention or you may use the kaning Google ay kaning chat panel diri as a Google Meet. Okay, so anyway, sige. Another way for us to create our website now is through Google Drive. Okay, so I know that most of you, if not all of you, are familiar with your Google Drive. Okay, so this is your cloud storage, no, a cloud storage service by Google. Okay, so dira nato din na upload ang ato ang mga files usahay. Okay, so how are you going to access your Google Drive? So just type lang drive.google.com. And so that's drive.google.com. www.google.com. And then please hit enter sa inyong keyboard. Alright. So, if ever, maridirekta mo, diri na screen, no? So, okay, just click the new button, okay, located at the left side of your screen. Okay, so click this one, and then go to more, and then click Google Sites. Okay, so again, type drive.google.com sa inyong address bar. Type in the drive.google.com. And then sa left side sa inyong screen, once na maridirekta mo na, makasunod naman sa inyong Google Drive. Okay, so sa left side, you can see this new button. Okay, so click this button, and then paki-hover ang inyong mouse sa more. Okay, so unsa lang i-point lang ninyo ang mouse there is sa more, no? Okay, pinakaubos na option. And click Google Sites. Okay, so if ever i-click na lang ninyo ma'am sensors, as you can see, you will be redirected to this page or screen. Okay, so that's it. Okay, very easy. Kaya nga to ang duha ka paagi unsaon nato pag-access sa ato ang Google site. Okay, so to review, again, first thing na pwede nato buhaton, no, if you want to access Google Sites is through typing the website's name itself sa ato ang browser, which is sites.google.com. Again, sites.google.com. And then press enter sa inyong keyboard, and you will be redirected to this page. Okay, sir, lahi lagi itong unsa, lahi lagi ang maggawas if ever magsulod me sa unsa sa Google Drive. Okay, so sa Google Drive lagi sir kay mura siya unsa mura PowerPoint presentation, no, kaya ang iyang interface. Okay, sa buhaton nato ma'am sensors, okay, kani dire sa sites at google.com gani, i-click natin si blank. Okay, once na na-click na ninyo si blank, so ito, it's actually the same interface itong if ever you're going to access Google Sites via Google Drive. Okay, speaking of, let's review how you're going to create your website or your Google site via Google Drive. So ang buhaton nato ma'am sensors, okay, type lang nato drive.google.com to access Google Drive. Okay, drive.google.com. Then let's focus sa left side sa ato ang screen. Once na natadiri na page, no, click new. Hover your mouse to more. Okay, kaning last option diri na more. And then click nato ang Google Sites. So any of the two means, okay, you will be redirected, okay, sa same na kaning interface. Okay? Sa same na environment. Okay, so the same lang siya, no? Kaya siya via typing sites.google.com and clicking the blank na option. And then this one is via Google Drive. Okay, so those are the two means for us to create our Google site. Okay, so very easy so far. Okay, so questions, clarifications. So far, I guess tanan naka-access na, no, o Google site. Okay, if ever wala, of course, dili ta maka-move on. Kaya dili mo maka-move on dira okay, sa to ang next step. Okay, so wala problema as of the moment. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, sige. I'll assume your silence, moms and sirs. Okay, kay tanan nakasunod or nakafollow so far. Sige. Sa karon, let's move on. Okay, sa to ang next part of the discussion, which is creating your Google site. Okay, so, kato no, balik na ta. If ever mag-unsa, if ever mo mo sa inyong site sa google.com, i-click lang nato kaning blank. Okay? So again, we have our template gallery here, but we're not going to use that one as of the moment. Okay? So let's build our website from scratch by clicking blank. Okay? So let's start a new site right now. Okay? Or a blank site. Okay? So, anam-anam muna nato, no? Okay, o panindot. Okay, ang ato ang ginabuhat na website later. Okay, so click this one para at least makastart na ta sa pag-create sa ato ang Google site. And then, we're going to name your Google site as well. Okay, so we have three major na mga names na kailangan i-specify. Okay, dire sa top left corner na site, okay, this is your file name. Okay, so this is the site document name. Okay, so pwede ninyo na siya i-change, of course. So for example, I'm going to specify or name this one as living in the IT area. For example lang. Then, okay, kuhaon din niya, no? Okay, kanina po na field, kuhaon niya kung unsa gi-type ninyo. But, okay na kaayo if ever you're going to modify this one, ma'am and sir. So, this is your site name. Again, this is your site document name and this is your site name. Okay? So, pwede ninyo na siya i-change. Okay, so for example, check 010 taas sa question now. So, it's correct 010 there. This one is in the IT era. Okay? So, kana. This is your document name again. Makita na ninyo sa drive ninyo. And this one is your site name. Okay? So, pakita na ako sa inyo later on. What's bang relevance in specifying your site's name there? Okay? And of course, you have your page title. Okay, so, for example, this is your first or main page, no? Or what we call the landing page. So, pwede natin na siya. Okay. Living in the IT. There you go. Check 0 10 change this one to that's it. Okay, very easy. Again, let's mind, okay, that this kaning mga fields, no, okay, are the major fields that we need to kaning modify. Okay, so we have our site document name here, located at the top left corner of your screen, and we also have the site's name here. Okay, so again, you can modify that one with anything you want. Okay, and then we also have our title page here. Okay, so sir, pwede ba na siya ma-format? Of course, pwede ninyo ma-format. Okay, very easy. Diba makita ninyo if ever, i-click ninyo na siya, ma'am and sirs, kaya delete natin na siya ma-format. This one we can. Okay. Okay, so you can change the font style. Okay, dire, okay, for example, you want to change it to something like this one. Okay, so pwede kayo. It's customizable. Okay, so given na we are aiming for a visual content, no? Okay, sa ato ang topics or discussions, okay, or whatever relevant na mga unsa no, gina-convey nato sa ato ang relevant things na gina-convey nato sa ato ang klase. Okay, so we can present that one, okay, in a visual manner, okay, using our Google site, okay, or by creating a website. Okay, so you can change the font style by clicking this one. Okay, so depende sa inyo kung say gusto ninyo daraan na website, font style di ay, sorry. Okay, font style, ma'ams and sirs. You can increase the font size, okay, or decrease it. Okay, so kamo bahala kung gusto ninyo padakon or kung gusto ninyo pagamit. Okay, there you go. Okay, but then for me, I will be setting this one up to 64. Okay, pwede ninyo siya i-bold, italicized, underline, okay, and change the text color as well. Okay, there you go. Okay. So, kaning insert link, sagdan lang natin na siya later. We're going to use that one. Pwede po ninyo i-change ang iyahang alignment. So, we have the left align, center align, right align, and justify. Okay? So, meron na siyang unsa, no? Meron siya Microsoft Word. Okay? So, if you're familiar with Microsoft Word, which is I know that all of you okay, use Microsoft Word, no? Okay, in creating your documents, for example. So, this is the same thing. Okay? In terms of formatting your text here. Okay? Or you may actually remove this one, pero ayaw ninyo i-remove. Tira, ang sensors, no? Okay? So, sagdilan ninyo. Okay, and then we also have kaning unsa line and paragraph spacing, increase indent, decrease indent. We have the strike through, and we also have pwede na to i-clear ang formatting na to. Okay, to reset it to the default format. Okay, so that's it. Okay, very easy. Okay, so anyway, sige. Okay, I'm going to give you 5 minutes right now, okay, to try to explore and customize the format of your title page. Okay, so that's a very easy thing to do as of the moment. Okay, so i-review lang na ako, no? Again, this one is your site document name, this is your site's name, and this is your title page. And what you're going to do within a 5 minute kaning allocation or period, okay, so please do explore, okay, how are you going to format your title page, okay, by changing the font style ba, okay, changing the font size, okay, or pwede po ninyo na siya iyon sa i-bold, italicize, underline, okay, and change the text color as well. Kaya ayaw lang ninyo i-click ang insert link o remove, okay, dire ano, okay, so dire lang po ta banda, okay, ang pag-unsa nato, pag-experiment and pag-explore nato. So anyway, it's 9:40 on my clock, so at exactly 9:45. Okay, so dapat mahuman na taong explore. Okay, so anyway, your time starts now. Alright, okay, so time is up. Okay, so hopefully na-format na ninyo na ang inyong title page, ma'ams and sirs. Okay, so right now, let's move on, okay, to sharing your Google site with others. Okay, so humanata sa pag-name sa inyong Google site. Okay, now we are ready to share your Google site, no? Okay, to other people for collaboration. Okay, so again, just like what I have told you earlier, okay, so we can collaborate with other people, no? For example, a specific subject is being taught by multiple teachers, for example. Okay, so at least man lang, sila mismo kay maka contribute sa pag-build o kaning website. Okay? So how are you going to do that one? So very easy na po siya, no? Okay, so sa atong demonstration karon, okay, please do uh, share with me, okay, your website, okay, that you will be building today. Okay, so i-share ninyo sa ako karon. So the steps kay i-click nato ni kaning icon. It's like a person na na-I plus, no? Okay, dire So try to look for this icon. It's beside the settings or kaning gear icon nata. So the profile picture, the publish button, we have the more, okay, the settings, and this one. Share with others. Okay, so click this and then add me. Okay, as one of your collaborators, no? Sa inyong ginabuhat na website. But then, anyway, bawal lang. Alright. Okay, so just click this icon. Okay, share with others. And then add me, okay, as one of your collaborators, no? Okay, or someone, okay, na access sa inyong website. Okay, so I will be typing my email here. Okay, sa chat box natin dere sa Google Meet. So christian.manero@gmail.com. I-add na siya, ma'am and sir. So, dire ninyo i-type, okay? So, christian.manero@gmail. That's it, okay? So, click that one, editor. Yes, paki-add ko ninyo as editor, no? Okay, and then click send. Okay? So, paki-notify po ko, ayaw ninyo ni i-check, ma'am sensors. Okay? Notify me. Okay, para at least pakabalo ko if ever gi-invite na ba ko ninyo as collaborator sa inyong website. Okay, so again, what you're going to do for you to share your website to others is i-click ninyo okay, share with others. Click this one and then type my email address there. So christian.manera@gmail.com. There you go. And click send. Okay. Don't forget to set me as editor as well. By default, man kod editor man kod na nakabutan dira, so don't change that one. Okay, you can change this is as a published viewer, no? But then ayan ninyo yun. So ayan ninyo napili ha. Okay, make me as your editor. Okay, para at least if ever na problem sa inyo website, later on, okay, ma-manage po na ako. Okay, sa ako ang entering. Okay, so anyway, kato. Uh, don't forget to click send as well. Okay, para at least ma-notify ka via email. Okay na? Ipaki-share sa inyong website right now. Okay, there you go. Okay, sige. One, two, three, four, five. So far, we have five people okay, na nag-share na sa ilahang website, no? So let's wait for the others to share their websites as well. Okay, for 1 minute. All right, so time is up. Okay, so far ang unsa lang no, ang nag-share kay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ata na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, sige. So, the rest of you, ma'ams and sirs, again, please don't forget okay, to share your website right now. Kay kato, para at least if ever magka-problema man, okay, so I can access okay, your website, no? Just like this one. Okay, so masulod ko sa website ni Sir Crisardo. Okay, change lang na ako ang email na kanila. Okay, so basics of club production. There you go. Okay. So I can actually access this one. Okay, kaning mga website na gibuhatan nyo, no? So just like what I have told you, you can collaborate with other people. So what you're doing there, Mr. J. Marday. Okay? So kung unsa man ang nabuhat na rin Mr. J. Bar, makita na ako. And kung unsa buhatan na ako sa website ni Mr. J. Mar, makita pa niya. Okay? Or I will not be, I will not be doing something here as of the moment, no? Okay, so anyway, let's proceed, okay, to the next step. Okay, so humana ta sa pag-share sa Google site with other people. Right now, let's move on to using themes in Google Sites. Okay, so very easy na pud na siya. So balik na pud ko sa akong ginabuhat na website karon. Okay, so we have themes here. Okay, there na tab, no? So major tabs nato, diba si Google Classroom, we have four. Okay, we have the stream tab, we have the classwork tab, we have the grade, we have the people tab, and the grade na tab. Okay, so ang sa Google Sites, okay, naadere ang ato ang mga major tabs, ma'am and sirs. We have the insert, okay, we have the pages, and we have the themes. Okay, so right now, what we're going to do is to use the unsa lang no, kaning mga pre-made themes dire Okay, so pwede ninyo na siya gamitan. For example, this one. Okay, change somehow the color. Okay. Okay, so pwede ninyo i-change ang color na. You can change the font style as well. Okay, so depende kung unsang inyong gusto. Okay, so kato. Dili ninyo ma-access, no? Okay, ang mga available themes nato. So, dili sa ito magbuhat og custom or kani mag-upload or mag-import og kaning theme nato. But then, let's use the themes created by Google for us para mas dali. Okay? So, for me, I will be choosing this one. Okay? And then, goods na pod sa kaning sa niya, no? Color scheme. Okay? So, later, pwede pa man kundi siya ma-modify and customize further. Okay? But then, for now, sige daw, for 5 minutes, please choose kay a theme and explore as well kay kaning kung unsa man ang naa sa themes tab except for this one. Okay, ayan na ninyo na siya taruga. Kanila, kaning created by Google lang ng mga themes from sensors. Okay, so to review lang po, no? Okay, again, ang themes tab nato and or for us to use themes. Okay? So make sure lang na naa mo sa themes na tab. Again, we have the insert pages and then themes na tab. Click that one and then choose among the options here. Okay? In line with the themes created by Google for us. Okay? So there you go. You can change or choose any theme you want. Okay? Change the color scheme as well. Okay, so katarapan. So anyway, sige, your 5 minutes start now. Okay, so time is up. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, to our the next step is selecting your header image. Okay, so again, it's like what I have told you po no, kaganina. Okay, so your website is actually fully customizable. So, sir, well, if dili na trip dire ako ang header image. This is your header image by the way. Okay, that's one. Yan makita ninyo dire ano. So, can I change ba? Okay, my header image, sir. Yes, you can. Okay, pwede kayo. So, how are you going to do that one, ma'am? Sensors, click lang natin ang change image dire. Okay, click that one. You may upload it or you may choose the option select image. Okay, so if ever i-click natin select image now, we have a library here. Okay, sa kaning gallery nato. So, pwede natin na siya gamiton as our header image. So for example, I'm going to choose something here. Okay, this one, for example lang. Then click select. Okay, kung na may gusto diri ano na image, so i-click lang ninyo and then click select. Okay, there you go. Or okay, you can paste the URL of the image here. You can search as well. Okay. We also have your albums and we also have images from your Google Drive. Okay, so ipakita sa inyo ano ang kaning folders, okay, sa Google Drive ninyo. Okay, but then the most uh, likely na thing na ginabuhat nato no in terms of customizing our header. For example, kaning ano no Facebook banner nato, di ba? Okay, so ang ginabuhat nato is to upload an image. Yun. Okay? So, pwede ang buhatan nato, Ma'am Sensors, is to upload an image dari upload. Okay, so pwede kayo. Okay, wala na problema. But, given that we are creating a website, okay, that might be publicly available to other people. Okay, so let's be careful lang sa kaning mga copyrighted images, no? So, pwede unsa ang thing that we're going to do is to visit pixels.com. Okay, so pixels.com. This is actually a library of kaning royalty free na mga images, no? Okay, so meaning we can use this one. Okay, in ano in kaning material na ginabuhat nato, for example our website. Okay, so adto ra mo sa ano pixels. Okay, so free stock photos na siya dire okay, there you go, and then you can search for a specific photo here, okay, without worrying about copyright issues. Okay, so for example, given na living in the IT era kung unsa no ako ang subject, so I can search computer there, okay, and then choose an image na gusto nako iset as ako ang header image for my website. Again, that's pixels.com, spelled as PEXELS .com. Okay, so send lang po na ako sa chat box natin, no? So please visit that one. And then, sige. Balik ka dito sa homepage. Okay? So dere, pwede natin na i-search or sa search bar natin, no? Whatever photo we would like to search for. Okay, for example, computer ang ako ang i-search. And then I can choose from mga images dere ano or results na mo gawas. So sir, saan na ako mag-download? Okay, very easy na pala mag-download ng sensors. Okay, so what you're going to do, for example, you have selected na, okay, the image that you would like to upload as your header sa kaning unsa no website ninyo. Okay, so just click that one, click the image, for example this one, and then click free download. Again, click the image, and then click free download. So if ever wala ninyo na-catch nung anong sa pixels.com kung nag-unsa, nagbuha, again, we are particular in terms of kaning mga copyright issues na to. Okay? Sa mga images mo na pwede na to ma-download online, okay, some of them are copyrighted material. Okay? So given that our website, okay, most probably will be publicly available, okay, so at least man lang, likayan nato ang atong mga copyright na mga concerns. Okay, so i-click lang nato ang free download here. Okay, click that one and then save it. Okay, to whatever directory na gusto ninyo i-save ang inyong image, no, or whatever location i-save ang inyong image. Okay, so for example, nara sa downloads, kaya nga ako ang image na gusto i-upload sa ako ang website. Okay, so punta na ako sa downloads na ako and then click save. Wait for the download process to finish and then go back sa inyong website na ginabuhat. Okay. So once na-download na ninyo, balik na dire then click change image and then click upload. Again, change image, click upload. Okay. So ato ko sa downloads na we're in, dira na ako gi-save katong image na gi-download na from Pixels. So click the image itself and then click open. That's it. Okay. So, nag-change na nga ito ang header image to something, okay, na kita mismo ang nagpili. Okay. So, very easy na po. Okay, to review ma'am sensors, okay, for us to upload or to change the header image of our website, we have two options. Okay. So, it's either to upload an image or to select image. Okay. So, upload and select image. To select image, okay, we have our gallery here, okay, a library of pictures. Nag-provide na sa ato dahan by Google. We can paste a URL here, okay? So if ever na mo URL no or kaning link for a specific image, pwede ninyo na siya sa paste dire Pwede po mo mag-search directly dire For example, I'm going to search computer. Okay, there you go. But then the results are not quite on sana. Nga na kanindot. Okay, so na ubang images na not suitable for being a header image. Okay, but then it's up to you if ever you're going to use this one. Okay, napoy albums na rin, you can upload images from your Google Drive. Or, it's okay if ever you're going to upload na lang yun an image sa inyong header. Okay? Because this is the most typical thing na ginabuhat nato, no, whenever we're going to customize or change the header. Okay, for example, the FB banner. Okay, FB banners nato, no. Okay, so pwede mo visit sa pixels.com. Okay, Sir, Pixels na ba ang pwede na mo sa downloadan? Napo ilaing website for sure. Okay, just make sure lang na ang inyong i-search kay free stock and royalty-free photos. Okay, pero Pixels Pangod has a variety, okay, and a large number of library of images, okay, that we can download. Ang ato ang we can download kani mga images from. Okay, so at least this one is actually a good site for you to search for good photos. Okay, so anyway, going back, okay, so saan nato pag-download sa photo nato. Okay, once you are here sa Pixels na, again, you can search for a specific image, just like what you are doing on Google. So if ever naka-search na mo, for example, i-search na ako computer, click lang ninyo ang image that you would like to set as your header image sa inyong website, and then click free download. Tapos, of course, look for the location, okay, na gusto ninyo i-save, kung asan ninyo gusto i-save, okay, ang inyong image na i-download, no? And then, of course, click save. Okay, save natin na siya. And then, balik na sa ato ang ginabuhat na website. Click change image, and then click upload. Tapos, pangitaon nato itong photo na i-download nato. Select that one and then click open. There you go. Okay, so that's it. Very easy. Then, pwede po nato i-change ang atong header type, no? So, pwede siya as cover, It's large banner, as banner, normal banner by default. And then kung title only, dili na ito makita ng banner nato or banner image nato. Okay, so for me, I'm going to use the default na. Here are kaning banner. Okay, so, yata po ka na. Okay, so sa karon, sige. I guess, na ba may question dahil, ma'am sensors? Question so far, in line with changing your header image. Questions, clarifications? So far, five, four, three, two, and one. Okay, sige. So, I'll assume again that your silence means klaro sa inyo ang tanan, no? Tanang steps na gidemonstrate na ako. So, I will be giving you 10 minutes, okay? Para at least na amoy unsa, ample time to search or to look for a specific image that you would like to set as your header, okay? So, again, please execute, okay? Whatever steps I have demonstrated here, okay, para at least pag-check na ko sa inyong i-build na website later on, okay, and makita na ko ang inyong unsa ang inyong progress po, no? Or at least man lang na-apply ninyo, okay, kung unsa man ang ako ang ginatudlo dere. Okay? So, anyway, sige. If ever wala may mga questions so far, so your 10 minutes start now. Okay, so time is up. Let's move on. Okay, sa next natin na buhatan, ma'am and sirs, na, which is to add a footer sa inyong Google Sites. Okay, so this is a very easy thing that pwede ninyo buhatan no, sa inyong website na ginabuhat. Okay, so to add a footer. So, just hover your mouse. Okay, so paduha lang ninyo ang inyong mouse dire sa ubos. Okay, and then click add footer. Okay, so pwede ninyo ibutang din ang inyong contact details, mga ingana. Okay, so for example, um, contact us. Okay, contact us, then email, for example, UIC, info desk at uic.edu.ph. And file number, for example, 082 977 example. Okay, Facebook, so for example, fb.com /UIC, and then Twitter, for example. Okay, so at UIC Education. There you go. Okay, so kaning footer no, kay naragyan niya siya sa ubos. Okay, given na footer ganyan ang tawag sa iya ha. Okay, so we have the header dire sa taas. Okay, so meaning siya ang ulo. And then ang footer siya ang tiil. Okay, so anyway, you can format this one. Okay, just like what you did here sa kaning title page, sa inyong page title ay, ma'am and sirs. You can format that one, change the font style, okay, font size. You can make it bold, italic, okay, or italicized, underlined, okay. You can change the color as well. Okay, so pwede na ninyo buhatan diri ano. Okay, so kaning insert link again, please ignore that one. Okay, later I will be demonstrating to you what is the purpose of inserting the function or the feature of insert link no on a specific text. Okay, you can change the alignment as well. Okay, pwede mo magbuhat og numbered list and bulleted list pa dire ano or remove okay the footer itself. Okay, so if ever human na mag-change sa inyong footer, sir, nganong kaning unsa kaning box sa footer nako kay lahi og color sa ako ang background mismo. Okay? So saan ako na siya sir para ma-change kay gusto na ako ang background nako kay the same or my background color is the same as I know the footer or kaning murag text box color sa ako ang footer no is the same as my background. Okay? So pwede ninyo na i-change by clicking this icon. Okay, so section colors and then style 2. There you go. Okay, so kani mo lang paint na unsa na icon here, section colors. Click na siya. Click na ninyo ma'am sensors and then you can choose style 2. Okay, so as you can see, same na ang background sa inyong sa text box sa inyong footer and sa inyong background. Okay, so ito. That's it for the footer, no? So again, to review lang, okay, what we did so far. Okay. Nakabalanta how are we going to access Google Sites via two ways, okay? Or two means of accessing it, okay? So via sites.google.com or via Google Drive. We also have created your own blank Google site right now. We have named your Google site as well. You have shared your Google site with me. Okay? So, at least makita na nako yung mga Google sites ko dira, ma'am sensors. We have already used themes pod sa Google sites na. Okay? Themes provided to us by Google themselves. Okay? And then selecting your header image, okay? So kabalo naman ta karon unsa na to pag-upload og image sa ato ang header, okay? And then we also added a footer sa ato ang Google Sites. Okay? So very easy na mga things, okay, to do. Sige. So right now, I will be giving you 5 minutes, okay, to further explore, okay, or to edit your footer, okay. So again, i-review lang na ako, ma'am sensor sa okay, how are you going to do this one? Okay, so delete lang sa nako ang footer. Okay, so click lang ninyo or hover your mouse padulong dire sa ubos. Okay, so move your mouse dire okay, and then click add footer. Then you can type some text there. Okay, so for example, the contact details now of your website, okay, or your organization. Okay, so contact us. Tapos, add some details po. There are, for example, email. So, infodesk at uic.edu.ph, for example lang. Okay, contact number, your dial number, ganyan man. So, 0 082 okay. And then for the Facebook, afb.com/USC, and for Twitter, so these details are just dummy details. So these details are not true. Okay, so for the sake of demonstration, na po na siya gamit. Okay, so UIC education at UIC education. Okay, so pwede natin siya i-format again. Stylized it in a way that you want to. Okay, so pwede ninyo i-change ang font style. Okay, pwede nyo change ang color sa inyong text. So it's up to you how you're going to make it as visually appealing as possible. Okay, and then, kato, given that the text box is actually lahi na color na as your main background. Okay, so pwede ang buhatan ninyo ma'am sensors. Gusto lang ninyo i-change. Click this icon, ending section colors, and then click style 2. That's it. Okay? Very easy. Okay? So, sir, what if gusto na ko walaon ang footer? Okay? How am I going to do that? Okay, so, yan sana ninyo. Click lang ninyo sa ang edit footer mount sensors and then click ninyo ng remove. Okay? Remove. So, as you can see, nawala na ang ato ang footer. Okay? So, very easy steps. Okay, again, as easy as ABC. Okay, so right now, sige, try to explore and try to establish your footer sa inyong website within 5 minutes. So your time starts now. All right, so again, time is up. Okay, so anyway, yeah, hopefully na-establish na ninyo ang inyong footer dira ma'am sensors, no? Okay. So, sir, pwede ba naman i-delete ko ng amo ang footer? Okay, so pwede po, wala problema. Okay. As long as at least you know how to add footer sa inyong website, okay, and delete it. So, that's the most important thing here. Okay, so anyway, sige. Um, what we're going to do next is to add content na sa inyong page. Of course, on a specific website, okay, we can see different content elements that are such as text, images, okay, and sometimes documents as well, okay, na pwede natin ma-download. Okay, so pwede po na ninyo buhaton, okay, sa inyong Google site right now. Okay, so what we're going to do is to insert these elements, no, okay, at the moment. So we're going to insert text, we're going to insert images as well, and documents, okay. So, pero yung setup po na to, ma'am sensors, no, okay, simplihan na po nato karon kaya ang pag-insert anak kay given na I will be instructing you later on na i-delete pod inyong gi-insert na text, images, and documents because naapod tay buhaton okay in line with that one to organize it further later. Okay? So sa karon at least makabalo lang taon sa ako nato pag-insert sa nato pag position sa ato ang content no okay sa ato ang website. Okay? So first, okay, we're going to insert text. Okay, so how are we going to do that one? Okay, so let's go back to the three major tabs na makita nato no, sa tuang Google site. And then choose insert. Again, we have insert na tab, pages na tab, and the things na tab. So balik ta sa insert na tab. And then please click text box. Okay, so click ninyo na siya. And dira na mo pwede mag-type og inyong text no na you want to include sa inyong website. Okay, so for example, this is a sample text. Okay, so pwede ninyo siya i-format ng sensors again, stylize it furthermore. Okay, so by highlighting okay the text itself, change the font style if you want to. Okay, so as you can see here, okay, pwede na ako i-change ang font style. Pwede na ako i-increase, of course, ang font size. Make it bold, italicized, underline, okay? And I can change the color as well. So the same sa gibuhat na ako sa header image po. Okay? So, dere, pwede po na ito i-unsa, no? So, I'm going to make this one. Okay, so pwede po ta mag-insert og link dire among sensors. Okay? So, if ever mag-insert og link, for example, i-click natin na siya. Unsa na link? Asa ba siya ma-redirect? Okay, if ever I'm going to click this specific text, for example. Okay? So, kung gusto ninyo, example lang ha, kung gusto ninyo ma-redirect mo sa YouTube, okay, so type lang na to ang link kay www.youtube.com, for example. Okay? So, apply nato ni. Okay, done editing. Tapos, kung gusto ninyo i-preview ang inyong website, just like this one, okay, makita ninyo na yung na. This one, kaya dili na ako siya ma-edit. So, this is the preview na mode. Okay? So, iyon sa lang ninyo, i-click lang ninyo ang preview icon here sa taas. Okay? Click this preview icon. Okay, click that one. So as you can see, madako ang inyong unsa no, ang inyong display okay, in terms of what you are editing sa inyong website. So pwede na ko na siya i-click. As you can see, nag-change ang ako ang mouse cursor to something that is clickable. Okay? So pag-click na ko ana, I will be redirected na sa youtube.com. Okay? So ito, very easy na po. Okay? For you to insert text, okay, and of course, for extra kaning thing na pwede ninyo buhatan sa text ninyo, you can insert a link as well. Okay? Pero but if gusto na ko i-remove ang link, so you can remove that one by simply clicking the text itself and click remove here. Okay, so remove na siya. There you go. Okay, so very easy. Okay, you can format that one, okay, in terms of the alignment po, no? So left, center, right, and justify. And you can also create a numbered list, a bulleted list. Okay, so kata. Ingatan po ang pag-insert of text. So, another thing, okay, di ba, makita ninyo sa text box na to, okay, lahi na po siya o color, no, sa inyong background, okay. So, ang sound yan ito para at least same of color. Click this one, the section colors icon, and then choose style 2. There you go. Okay, ingat to, nakasimple pa. Okay, so anyway, right now, let's insert an image as well sa inyong website. Because again, simple insertion lang ni sa mga elements ha. Okay? Tama di ay pwede ninyo i-change ang size sa inyong text box, no? And then pwede ninyo kaning position it. Okay? So to the desired location sa inyong website, no? By clicking it, so i-click lang or i-click ninyo ang left button sa inyong mouse, hold it, and then drag, okay, padulong sa kaning space sa inyong website no kung asan ninyo gusto i-position ang inyong text. Okay? So again, click lang ninyo ang left button sa inyong mouse, then drag it to the desired location sa inyong ginabuhat na website, and then release the button kaya para at least ma-place ninyo ang inyong text. Okay? So anyway, sige. Next thing that we're going to do is to insert images. Okay? So, sa insert tab gihapon ta, sensors, gani na text box ang atong i-click, no? Karon kay images na po. Okay? So, let's upload. Okay? Images sa inyong website. So, for example, I'm going to upload this one. Kanina image, no? Pwede mag-download gihapon mo sa Pixels later. Okay, para walay copyright issues no or concerns ang inyong i-upload na image. Okay, so ito as you can see, very easy na po, okay, ang kaning process of uploading an image from the local drive of your computer or from your computer padulong sa inyong website. Okay, so giyon sa nako to, again, insert na tab gihapon ta, then click images, click upload, and then look for that specific picture or image you want to insert sa inyong website, and then click open. Okay? Pwede ninyo i-change ang size, pwede ninyo padakon, pwede ninyo pagamyan. Okay? O pwede po ninyo i-move po sa desired location ninyo sa inyong website. Okay? So that's it for inserting an image. Okay, so file. Okay, so for example, you have files from your Google Drive. Okay, so pwede ang buhaton nato diri sensors is to click this drive icon here. Okay, click that one, and then look for that specific file from your Google Drive, no, na gusto ninyo i-upload, such as a PDF file, Word, Microsoft Word file, okay, may yan na. Any other files na gusto ninyo i-upload, pwede ganit video, pwede po images, okay? So anyway, let's try to look for a file na. Okay, so pwede po PowerPoint presentation. So for example, this one is a PowerPoint presentation. So pwede ninyo siya i-upload direct. Okay? So click lang ninyo ang file, click the file itself, and then click insert. Then, there you go. Okay, so let's wait for it to appear. Ito. So, pwede na to patakon pod. Pwede na to pagamit. Okay. So, pwede po na to siya i-drag to a desired location sa inyong website. So, kanya siya, pwede po ninyo siya ibutang. Dire kanyang text ninyo lang. Pwede ninyo ibutang din. Okay, change the size of the text box to accommodate what is inside. Okay, sa inyong text box, no? Pwede nyo na i-change, padakon pagagyan. Okay, style 2. This one. Okay, so dili lang sa nako i-organize of tarong ma'am sensors ha. We're going to do that one later. The important thing here is at least kabalo ta sa process of inserting text, images, and files. Okay? So again, let's review. Okay? So pwede ninyo i-remove by clicking the element itself and then click remove. There you go. So pwede ninyo siya. And then, sige, review na to how are we going to insert those elements sa itong website. Again, dapat na ata sa insert na tab, click text box. Okay, for the text, no? Click text box, and then type the text, of course. So for example, this is a sample text. And format it. Okay, so change the font style. Okay, the font size. You can decrease or increase that one. Okay, make it bold, italicized, underlined. Okay, change the color as well. And then you can insert a link for this specific text pod, no? Okay, so ito pwede ganit www.google.com. Okay, so kung bahala kung asan ninyo gusto i-redirect ang inyong users once i-click nila ang kanang specific text. Again, change the alignment. You can do that one as well. Okay, so create a numbered list. Pwede ka yun ninyo buhatan na. And then a bulleted list pod. Okay, so again, ma'am sensors, to preview your website, okay, click lang preview direct. I-check natin if ever nakagana ba si link natin. Click that one. So as you can see, I was redirected to google.com. Okay, kaya mauman itong deset na ako na link. Okay, so dili po siya unsaha, dili lang siya limited to external links, but of course to the internal links. Okay, internal links meaning mga unsa na mga at the same page, okay, within the website that you are creating. So we will be discussing that one as we go along later on sa ato ang topics, no? Okay, so as we create multiple pages for this website. Okay, so anyway, sa karon let's insert an image. Okay, so review na po nato ang process. Again, nagyapan sa insert na tab, click images, and then click upload. And then look for that specific image you want to upload. Again, pwede mo mag-download from pixels.com. So for example, I'm going to use this image and then click open. So tapos, pwede ninyo padakon, pwede ninyo pagamyon, pwede po ninyo i-change ang location. Okay? So another thing, insert a file sa inyong website. So for example, a file from your Drive or Google Drive. So click lang ninyo ang Drive, dire look for that specific file. Again, any files will do. Okay? So, pwede video, pwede document files, pwede images. Okay, so let me for a specific file here. Okay, so for example, i-check na ko ang saan i-try na ko insert ang kaning Word file. Okay? So, select that one and then click insert now. Okay, so as you can see, diba, ma-display gihapon siya. So kung i-preview na ko ang website, okay, so we have our text here, na I link, of course, link to the google.com. I have my image here as well, and I have my file here. Okay, so kato na po. Tama di ay, ma'am sensors, in line with the preview, okay, so you can change the view itself, okay, by choosing among the several options. Okay, large screen meaning this pertains to your computers, the large screen kaning display, no, such as your desktop computers, your laptops, for example. Okay, so pwedeng okay, and your PC monitors, for example. Pwede po din yung i-change into tablet. So as you can see kani ang display niya sa tablet po, no? And then pwede po din yung i-change to phone. Okay? So kani po ang iyang display if ever naa mo sa phone. in terms of accessing this specific website. Okay? So, ibalik na po ako siya sa large screen. And then, for you to close the preview, click lang po na to ang kaning exit preview. Okay? So, kaning X na icon dere. So, click that one. And we will be redirected again, okay, to our unsa no, or workspace nato. Okay? In line with building our website. Okay, so that's it. Okay, for inserting important elements, very important elements. Okay, that contributes to the content of our website. No, okay, which are the text, the images, and the file. Okay, so sige, do you have any questions so far in line with inserting those elements sa inyong website? Five, four, three, 2, and 1. Okay, sige. So right now, again, I'll assume that everything is clear for you given your silence, no? Okay, so right now, I will be giving you 15 minutes again. Okay, so 15 minutes to practice inserting text, images, and file. Okay, so explore it, ma'am and sirs, ha? Okay, explore the formatting, explore the resizing and repositioning of these elements, and explore as well uploading different files sa inyong website. Okay? So, pwede ninyo organize nila, but then please bear in mind as well na later on, ipadelete niya po na sa inyo kay we're going to organize it further. Okay? By using a specific feature sa inyong website. Okay? Or sa inyong Google site. Okay? So, sa karon, sige, your 15 minutes start now. All right. Okay, so time is up. Sir Jmar, okay na ba ang imong unsa? Ang imong header na nabalik na ba? If ever unsa no, if ever ma-delete ninyo ang kaning specific element, okay, accidentally sa inyong websites, ma'am sensors, just press Control C, okay, to undo it. Okay? Diba sigmo unsa no kanang ma-remove ninyo ang kaning mga gipambuhat ninyo dira, pero pwede ninyo siya i-undo, okay, by pressing Control C. Okay? So, anyway, sige. Let's move on. Okay, hopefully naka-insert na taong text, images, and files, no? Okay, nabalik na sir pero na ay naka-insert. Hala, sir naka-insert. Wait lang sir. Wait lang sir ha. Dali lang. Check. Kani. Okay, there you go sir. Good snap. All right. Okay. Sige, welcome sir. No problem po. Okay, so anyway, yeah, let's move on. Okay, to the next thing that we're going to do, no? Sa atuang unsa Google site. Okay, so far what we did is na-access na nato ang atuang Google sites. Okay, you have created your Google site or your own blank Google site. Um, you have named your Google site as well. You have shared your Google site with others, particularly sa Aqua. Okay, you have used themes na po no, sa Google Sites. Naka-customize na po mo header image ninyo, ma'am sensors. Okay, tanawan na ako dali. Okay, kay Sir Jmar, this is good. Okay, healthcare. Okay, I'll try to lang look for your progress so far. Okay, good. Okay, so naka-insert ng image. We have the footer here. We have the file. Okay, so anyway, i-organize natin siyang tarong later on. Ma'am sensors. Okay, so sa karon mura graph unsa ra no, rough insertion ra pod okay sa kaning mga elements nato. Kaya ang ginabuhat nato sa atong website, but then later we will be we will try to achieve something like this one, okay, in terms of organizing our elements. Okay, so right now, okay, naka-add na po tag footer, no? And we have already added content such as text, images, and documents sa ato ang Google site. So for the last thing that we're going to do sa ato ang morning session is to crop an image. So very easy na po na siya, ma'am sensors, no? Okay, so for example, you have an image inserted here and you would like to crop it. Okay, crop in the sense, as we all know, okay, that if ever mag-crop daw photo, we're just selecting a specific area of the image, no, to display. Okay, diba? If ever magkuha tag picture, tapos ingon rin na to, i-crop rin na siya. Okay, para at least mawala tong element sa image, no, na dili nato gusto makita. Okay, or pwede po i-focus lang nato sa specific object of an image. Okay, ang ato ang i-display. So, how are you going to crop that one? Okay, or crop the image? So, i-click lang nato kaning crop na unsa no, crop na icon. Okay, so click the image itself and then click crop. Okay? So for example, ang gusto na ko i-crop lang kay kaning laptop diri. Okay. So the MacBook. Okay, so yun sa rin ako no. Tarungon rin ako kaning place. Okay, inside this box. Okay, so mao ni siya ang ma-display. The rest kaning mga grayed out or washed out area nato kay ang mga kaning area sa inyong image na dili makita after you crop it. Okay? So, pwede na siya padakon. Okay? So, meaning, kanira po, okay, kanira siya makita. Kanina, area sa inyong image. The rest, kanidere. Okay, dili na siya makita. Okay, maana siya ang i-crop nato. Okay, so once na naset na ninyo ang kaning specific area of the image that you would like to display, okay, so click lang nato ang done editing. Okay, by clicking this check icon here, click that one, and as you can see, there you go. Okay, na-crop na nato ang atuang image. Okay, so very easy. Okay, so again, yun sa to. For example, we have this image, no? Panako lang na ako gamay. And gusto na to siya i-crop. Okay, so for example, I would like to select only the laptop or the MacBook part of this image na siya na po na ma-display sa ako ang picture. Okay, so i-click lang ninyo ang image and then click crop. Okay, kaning crop icon, the first icon na makita ninyo. Tapos, place lang natong tarong. Pwede nato padakon. Okay, by sliding this one, no? So, padakon lang nato. Okay. And then, click check if ever human na mo-crop sa inyong image. That's it. Okay? So, very easy to crop an image. Okay? So, anyway, sige. For 5 minutes. Okay, so this will be the last, last activity that we're going to do for the morning session. Okay? So the rest of it, later on, okay, kanya atong buhaton, no? Sa ato ang afternoon session later. So please don't relate ma'am sensors later sa ato ang second half, okay? Sa session nato. Okay, in line with discussing Google Sites. Okay, so right now, sige, I will be giving you 5 minutes again to practice kaning cropping your image. Okay, kaya para at least mahanas na, no? Kung saan na to pag-crop sa atong images using Google Site. Okay? So your time starts now. All right, okay, so time's up again, ma'am sensors, no? Okay, so anyway, sige, unta na kanina ka-crop mo images dara ano, in a way na wala mo naglisod, okay? So although the process itself of cropping a picture sa inyong website is actually very easy. Okay, so again, i-review na nako ang atong gibuhat no for this morning session. Okay, so what we did, okay, we have access Google Sites through two means or ways. Okay, and then we have created your Google site, okay, using a blank na site yun, no? Okay, from scratch. Okay, we have created, we are building something from scratch right now. Okay, we have named your Google site as well, shared your Google site. Okay, we have used themes for your Google site, but no. Selected your header image, added a footer, added content sa inyong page, such as text, images, and documents, and you already cropped an image. So later this afternoon, what we're going to discuss is to add a video from Google Drive, add a folder from Google Drive to your Google site, using content blocks in Google Sites. Okay? So, bahato natin siya later on. For the extra inserts, so mag-insert po din, no? Aside from text, images, and document, we're going to insert collapsible text, table of contents, image carousel, and YouTube video. We're going to insert Google Sites into Google Sites as well, changing menu layout, linking pages, adding logos and fav icon, and publishing your Google site to the web. Okay? So anyway, sige. I guess some of you okay, will actually prepare pa no, for their lunch. Okay, so for this morning session, I guess that would be all okay, sa ato demonstration and discussion. Okay? So I will be seeing you again at exactly 1:30 this afternoon. Okay? So please don't be late, ma'ams and sirs, ha? Grace period na to, mga 5 to 10 minutes ra pod. And then after that one, I will be starting na the discussion. So if ever malate mo, so you'll miss out something na gidemonstrate na ako. No? So as much as possible, please be on time. Okay? In kaning entering our Google Meet session later. Okay? So I guess that would be all. So you are all dismissed and happy lunch, everyone. So see you later at exactly 1:30.